Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in your jean sweater, lady sweater, baby's blanket. See, this is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl stitch. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 14 plus 7 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 14 plus 7 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 23 stitches on my needle, which is 14. I have only one repeat, which is 14 plus 7 extra stitch 21 and 2 edge stitch 23. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Purl 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. Purl 7, yarn over, yarn in back first, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, purl 7, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then we are going to knit 5 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 together. Knit 5 together. To knit 5 together, you are going to slip these 5 stitches first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring this hand in front and then pass all these 5 stitches over this 1 stitch. That's the knit 5 together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Knit 5 together. And then here yarn over, knit 1, yarn over. The next stitch is going to be purl, so yarn over, purl wise. Yarn in front, yarn over, purl wise. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 5 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then last 8 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8 stitch, 7 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Last 8 stitch, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 and every wrong side rows, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side. For row 3 right side, knit all stitches. Slip your edge stitch knitwise on the right side and knit all stitches. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5 right side. Now we're going to alternate these patterns. Now we're going to knit this pattern here and here. So row 5 right side, your edge stitch, slip knitwise on the right side, and start the repeat from here. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and here knit 5 together. To knit 5 together, you're gonna slip 5 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 5, slip 5, and then bring this yarn in front and pass this 5 stitch one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knit 5 together. Yarn over, knit 1, and then yarn over, yarn in front, yarn over, purl wise, and then the next stitch is going to be purl. So yarn in front, yarn over, purl wise, and then purl 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's the repeat from here to here. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 5 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, purl 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the repeat, and your last 8 stitch, 2, 4, 6, 8 stitch, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 5 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in front, and then pass over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 5 together, yarn over, knit 1, after the repeat pattern, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 5 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and your edge stitch knit. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7. For row 7, knit all stitches. Row 8, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.